How to find mobile data streaming quality settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find mobile data streaming quality settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and then click audio, and here you will find it. Here you will find mobile data streaming quality settings. You can manage it. Just select anything you want and go back. It will be saved, and as you see, it's easy, and that's how to find it, and you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.